This is the Pull and Play puppy by Vtech. We got this for our son, one, to teach him to be gentle with our dogs because we have two dogs, and we say, hey, be gentle with the doggies. Also, to learn, it has some cool things on it. The tail spins, makes the clicking noise that's just like Vtech. The ears, both the ears spin. He can play with those. And not only that, there are 3 sing-along songs and 20 melodies. There's also this pull string, so he can pull the puppy around when they get pulled, when he rolls. When the puppy rolls, the legs move, as you can see, like that. The legs move. Here's the pull string. It can also be stored in the bottom. When stored, if you have to store it, it comes with 2 AAAs, but if it runs out of batteries under here, you can unscrew it and you can replace them. I'm going to turn it on real quick. There is a volume control up top, so if you have medium and loud. You can't push the nose. These are, I think it has like some little keys here in his the mouth. Really nice toy. This is Mark from Adventure Dad, and I'll see you guys in the next video.